First of all, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my friends who are watching us at any point of time. Today, I'm your host and your host, CA Keshav Gupta, coming here with another episode of Creative Originals. Today, we have some amazing guys with us, or I should say, highly reputed finance professionals working with big names in the industry. And when we talk about finance, the first profession which hits up our mind is the one and only chartered accountancy. And we have with us the one and only unpopular opinion specialist, CA Rishin Dalmia, the perfect consultant at EY, CA Kajal, and our super auditor, CA Ria Goyal, with us, and me as your host. Suddenly, I'm feeling that I haven't done anything in my life, to be honest. So, welcome, guys,
No,
to this amazing episode.
thank you, Keshav, for such a wonderful introduction. I see such lovely people over here, so such learned friends, and being a part of this very reputed fraternity, I feel honored to be a part of this and sharing the stage with you guys. Though we have known each other for quite a long time, just like on camera and stuff. So that's how. So it's lovely to have you all and being a part of this journey.
Thank you, Kesha, for this wonderful introduction, and I'm glad to be a part of this CreatorCon video today. And also, I think we haven't met each other, but on LinkedIn, we we are quite known to each other, and hopefully, we'll meet someday. I've met Keshav except Ria and Rishen, and so let's get started.
Thank you, Kesha, for this wonderful introduction. And yes, I never meet. No, yeah, I meet Kesha, but yeah, Kajal and Rishen is still.
We are still in that hope
Uh,
कि कब रिया के दर्शन होंगे.
रिया रिया का makeup
uh,
organize करेगी.
नहीं
I
नहीं
am
but
the only
soon
person
यार,
who have met
things
all of
take
you.
time, Kajal. Good things take time. So probably
Correct.
we'll wait. नहीं नहीं
I
सही है
hope
यार.
it's not more than 12 years.
Oh. Certainly not. Yeah, it was.
Hi everyone, Ria this side. By profession, I'm a chartered accountant, and by passion, I'm a content creator. I'm creating content on LinkedIn from last 1.5 years. I create content on finance, interview preparations, something around this. That's all about me.
Okay, thank you, Ria, for your introduction. And I am CA Kajal Katpalia, and I'm working with EVA in the field of transfer pricing since like 1.5 years. And I'm into content creation since my CA final journey, which was very sudden, like it wasn't planned. It was when I saw that people only post about their success on LinkedIn, and I was suffering from failure, and I started content creation, and people started resonating with me because if 10% is the past result, 90% is failure. So no one was posting for those 90%. So I started posting that, and I generally post about finance, how to crack CA exams, my personal experiences while posting content as well as doing my job. So yeah, that's it.
Great.
Deshane, over to
That was
you.
lovely. Thanks. That was a lovely introduction by Ria and Kajal. So the pressure is on me right now, so I'll take it a shot. So, hi everyone. My name is C.A. Rishin Dalmia. So I'm based in Bombay, which is a city in India, and I'm a full-time practitioner, CA practice from past 7 years. Alongside, I started my journey with a part-time content creation on LinkedIn specifically, because with due respect, I don't want to dance on reels. Okay? So I chose a platform of words and not videos. So वो चीज था, and alongside with my practice I'm doing content creation from almost 2 years now, and it happened all of a sudden, like something. I was not even aware that there's some industry called content creation. Like I was aware there is some content creation happening, but I never thought that I will get into that, because getting from, like, everybody sees you from a different perspective, that CA hai and ye kya kar raha hai. And I'm pretty sure that all the influencers would have faced this line अपने life में कभी ना कभी सुना होगा, अरे influencer आ गया, अरे content creator आ गया, ठीक है. So I don't know if it's a compliment or it's a demeaning statement, but it is how you take it, right? So that's the thing. So I'm into practice. I do my corporate thing. I am into specifically into GST practice, taxation practice. So wherein I start with like young age startups, say conventional corporates, I cater their needs, compliance part, litigation, and everything. And generally on LinkedIn, I make content on finance, tax, and more of corporate humor. With all due respect, because I'm not in employment, तो एक वो जो banter है वो मैं कर सकता हूँ HR के ऊपर. So वो चीज हो जाती है. And that's about me. Yeah, that's.
Thank you all of you for your wonderful introduction, to be honest. And like even I haven't given my introduction yet. So hi guys,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
CA
Actually,
Keshav Gupta. I'm your host today, and I am working with JP Morgan in the credit risk domain. So I'm properly a banker. I am from Delhi, but currently based in Mumbai, and that's how I met Rishin. So yeah, I'm glad to be here. So let's kickstart this event. So some people feel that CAs are the most boring people out there, but let us prove you wrong. So the first question is, what are the specific social media platforms do you find most effective for your content creation and influencing career? Like any one of you wants to take this question up?
Yeah, I can do so. So, as Rashane mentioned that I'm not, happy to be dancing on reels. So I also resonate with this thing. That's the also the one of the reason that I choose LinkedIn for the same. So LinkedIn, I guess LinkedIn is the most effective social media platform, like for building and advancing your career as a chartered accountant. So yeah, it's like in my view, like LinkedIn is the one, and it's a professional, like focus allow you to networking with the leaders, sharing insights, and also you have access like various job opportunities. So yeah, this platform features a lot of things, credibility, and keep you informed about trends and etc. So yeah, over to
So
like Kajal.
even yeah.
Yeah.
So I would say that I am actually on majorly on all the social media platforms. Like I have created content on YouTube, on Instagram, on even on Twitter, but that I use just as my screenshots for LinkedIn, and of course my LinkedIn being the having the biggest audience. And I feel that although LinkedIn is a really good option because of course you don't have to dance on reels, but if
Yes.
you talk about when you have to influence others, I would say that Instagram for now would be the most preferred option for even for content creation and influencing, because the audience on Instagram is much bigger. And if you're trying to post content on personal finance, on career, then like of course nowadays there are less people who wants to read stuff after spending 8 hours in office and reading all sorts of stuff. So people are more and more into visual content, and that's why nowadays LinkedIn has also started stuff that is related to photos and all, because it is actually what we can say promoting that kind of stuff. So I guess Instagram is for me is one of the best social media platforms. But yes, it is really difficult to be like active on Instagram and create all sorts of reels, because it is difficult.
Mhm. No, no,
What are your
absolutely,
thoughts,
sure,
Shane and
sure.
Kajal?
No, no, absolutely, I
Yeah.
agree with you because the attention span of the audience is very less. Okay, and as you rightly mentioned, LinkedIn being the platform of words and Instagram being a platform of videos, and it's an old
Yes.
saying that visual registers more than what you read. That is why when we say Apple, अपन Apple का photo दिखाते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा register होता है अपने को. That's why Instagram is growing and more lucrative, I would say, because बोलते हैं ना Instagram पे you can grow from 0 to 100K in a span of a month also. And then on LinkedIn, from 0 to 10,000 also it takes years and years for some people, right? So there is not set rule as such, but yeah. And LinkedIn considering to be a more platform which is more professional towards networking and job building. I'm glad like we all creators on LinkedIn have started something of like we have broken like that stereotype that LinkedIn because आज भी याद है few of my friends when I say you don't engage on my post or something like that. So I just say सो दे आर लाइक कि हम लोग ने सिर्फ लिंक्डइन डाउनलोड किया था जॉब के लिए, जॉब मिल गई, अब अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया है, ठीक
Yes,
है।
yes,
तो
correct.
मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर लाइक दैट, यू नो, कि है ना वो हो जाता है। बट नाउ लिंक्डइन इज प्रमोटिंग, एज केशव सेड, वीडियो कंटेंट, बिकॉज इट्स अ एल्गोरिदम व्हिच, सी वी ऑल क्रिएटर्स आर एट द मर्सी ऑफ एल्गोरिदम, ठीक है। कोई भी गारंटी नहीं कर सकता कि जिसके 100 के हों उसके है ना 1 लाख लाइक आ जाएंगे या उसके इंप्रेशन बहुत अच्छे हो जाएंगे। कभी कभी 1,000 फॉलोअर्स वाला भी है ना वायरल हो जाता है। यू जस्ट नीड टू हैव अ क्वालिटी कंटेंट, नो मैटर ऑन व्हाट एवर सोशल मीडिया यू आर ऑन। Okay, it's like what niche you're creating, what audience you're trying to cater on. Okay, be it Twitter, be it Instagram, be it LinkedIn. And see, monetization is like कि आप कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो, ठीक है। लोग इवन व्हाट्सएप पे मोनेटाइजेशन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो एक मीडियम है जस्ट टू रीच आउट टू ऑडियंस, ठीक है। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड, द जियोग्राफिकल बैरियर इज नो मोर अ बैरियर राइट नाउ, ठीक है। मतलब आप दिल्ली में हो, बॉम्बे में हो, कहीं पे भी अपन कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जस्ट नॉट डोमेस्टिकली बट इंटरनेशनली टू। सो दैट्स लाइक, हाँ, कि है ना सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म को काफी अपन लेवरेज कर सकते हैं, टेकन इट इन अ राइट वे, ठीक है। इफ इफ मोनेटाइज भी नहीं कर रहे हैं तो यू आर मेकिंग बिल्डिंग कनेक्शंस, ठीक है। नाउ फॉर अ फैक्ट आई नो दैट आई हैव 3 पीपल इन दिल्ली, केशव, काजल एंड रिया, कि यार मैं आ रहा हूँ, कनेक्ट करते हैं अपन, किसी से मीटअप करवाते हैं, ठीक है। तो इट्स नॉट जस्ट ऑलवेज ट्रांजैक्शनल बट इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल ऑल्सो, ठीक है। सो यू गेट टू नो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, यू गेट टू नो लॉट अबाउट पीपल अबाउट देयर। सो वो एक चीज है, इज रियली हेल्पिंग। मतलब मेरे को भी पर्सनल व्यू में मेरे को बहुत हेल्प हो रहा है इस पे। आई वुड लाइक टू नो आप लोग के भी व्यूज क्या है इसके ऊपर।
Yeah, I think LinkedIn is little close knit as compared to Instagram or anything. Like the community is very close knit. Like if I know Keshav, if I know you, so I know all the, like not personally, but I know the names. I know every all the names. We have talked at least once, even on WhatsApp or on LinkedIn. The community is close knit as compared to a platform like Instagram. But I think just like Keshav said, and this is what I think exactly. After 8 hours of working, if you're in office, I would like to see something funny, some memes or some comedy, and not for like go for some finance tips, 10 finance tips to grow your mutual fund portfolio. But the thing is, after COVID, the finance creators have boosted up like so much. I won't name them, you might know them. Everyone is famous on Instagram, YouTube. And it's not like, because when I started LinkedIn, the plan was not to be a creator. It was just venting out what I felt, and how writing helped me to overcome my mental barriers, right? So that helped me, and then people started resonating, just like I said before, and the content worked. If you write what people are feeling, the content will obviously work. And for Instagram, I have been planning to start Instagram and YouTube for so long. It's not like I don't like videos. I can blabber on forever. So I think that I would like to go into video content sometime in this year, maybe. That might be YouTube or Instagram. But LinkedIn will obviously continue. And the audience I have built is only through LinkedIn. So you can't forget from where you started. You can't forget the roots. And so, yeah, every platform has its pros and cons. But for now, we are all LinkedIn creators, so LinkedIn Zindabad.
No, definitely,
Surely,
definitely.
Kajal, LinkedIn Zindabad. So that, like, you all three, the responses you had were really wholesome, and I hope our audience would be able to understand, like, if they want to start their uh, social media content creation strategy, so then which platform they have to choose.
But yeah,
So our
one
next
more
question,
thing. Yeah,
yeah,
as
yeah.
far as I remember, when I started the LinkedIn, there are many few peoples are there, many few creators are there. But as I am, as if I can like compare the today with that day, there are a lot of people. Like even the 12th passed out students are there. They are posting their results. So yeah, by the time LinkedIn wides their reach as well.
That's true.
Definitely.
That's
No,
true. Even
absolutely,
I'm still
absolutely. I
looking
also
at
believe that,
results.
because you know what happens is there are a lot of people, a lot of our fellow chartered accountants as well. They are like, I want to start, but I don't have that confidence. I have my post drafted, but I
Correct.
don't know where should I post or not.
Hmm.
So the only one advice: just post. Your first post, your first reel, your first video will not get viral. Okay, but it will give you a confidence for your second post. Okay, even if you're, so I still remember when I started. So I'm on LinkedIn from almost 10 years now, 2014, when I wanted to search for a job or maybe वो चीज थी. Then actively I started in 2021, 2022 during COVID. So your first viral reel will not be first reel. Okay, it will be maybe fifth, sixth, seventh. You just need to be consistent on any of the platform you're planning to make content on. Okay, and certainly I believe somewhere जो भी creators हैं या जो भी influencers हैं ना, they are very introvert in their personal life. So they chose a platform, whomsoever, like YouTube, LinkedIn, to be vocal about their thoughts. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know about, like, this is my personal opinion. Whenever I post my post on LinkedIn in the morning, and it gets a decent reach, so एक satisfaction होता है पूरे दिन, एक अलग smile होती है दिन में कि यार एक अच्छा recognition मिला है अपने को सुबह. ठीक है, even if, and I still remember 2-3 साल पहले जब 30 लाइक भी आ जाते थे LinkedIn पे, तो I used to be like how to handle fame. ठीक है, 30 likes will be. So it's a process, it's a part of process. You just need to be consistent. You need not think कि है ना troll तो हो गई. If you're on a social media, you'll get trolled. ठीक है, even politicians get trolled, everybody gets trolled. ठीक है, so वही है, get famous or get infamous. नाम में बदनाम में भी नाम तो हुआ ही है, तो वैसा है. You just need that one viral post, one viral reel, which will give you recognition, and that will be a synonym for you.
Negative
People will-
publicity is also a publicity.
Correct, correct.
So that actually takes us to our very next question. Like, this conversation was the perfect starter for our question. Which are the strategies which you employ to engage your audience and foster meaningful interactions? I guess Kajal, you can start with it.
Yeah. So, just like I said, that people resonate if you're sharing your actual journey. But for example, हम जैसे memes देखते हैं आजकल की people are sharing motivational ज्ञान ये वो. But if you try to employ a strategy that is, sharing your own journey, starting like with a storyline that you went through. Like when I remember one of my posts which went viral where I shared my first interview experience at one of the big four firms, and people comments were like, it feels like we are actually there with you at the interview, because I described it in such a manner. What was I wearing, where did I go, how did I travel, like every step, and along the way I told them what were the interview questions. So they're gaining what they want to know, but they're also trying to see what I went through, even though I did get in. But how, and how to cope up with that first failure at an interview. So what works for me is basically whenever I post, I see, and I try to share what I learned, what you can avoid, so that if I went through that thing, so my experience can help you to avoid that. And if something was positive for me, I will share that, and you can gain that confidence that if it worked for her, maybe it might work for me. So yeah, I think personal experiences and journey helped me grow on this platform.
That was really good, Kajal. I would say for me, uh, consistency actually worked. So, like, I will tell you my story of when I started writing on LinkedIn. I was actually fed up with my articleship, and one day I just posted on LinkedIn that we have to work for officially for 8 hours, but we are working for 12 hours. Random articleship crap. And then I actually saw that I got around 150 likes on that. I was like, wow, I'm famous now. Although I just had around 800 followers at that point of time. And those were actually either my friends or my, either my school friends or my CA friends. But I actually felt great at that point of time. And then I started posting like around a week or so, and slowly and suddenly it became a normal thing for me to post on daily basis after, of course, leaving that articleship firm, because that firm was not giving me much time. So yeah, but so you never know which post is going to work for you. So if you ask me or any one of you, even we actually don't know, like before posting, if it's going to get viral or not. Of course, we do have a thing in mind that it's gonna go okay, but we never know which post is going to get those 1 million views or something like that. We actually don't know. My first 1 million view post was around 1 year back, and I had, if you talk about timing, I posted it around 3 p.m. in afternoon. So that is not the ideal time for posting. And randomly, things can get viral. So you have no idea on what's gonna work for you. Secondly, you should know what your audience is. If you have even 100 followers, you should know whether they are CA students, they are CA professionals, they are engineers, they are HRs or what. Because if you have 100 HRs in your followers and then you are posting some really technical stuff on taxation and DTAAs and all sort of that stuff, then they are not going to understand your content. And how LinkedIn algorithm works is that firstly your followers should engage on your post, and then only they would be shown to others, like your followers. So that you need to do, and that you should understand your audience beforehand. So if you have CA students in your following, then you should start posting more about your CA journey, interview tips, and all sorts of that stuff. And if you have CA professionals in your following, then you can post about technical stuff. Because like 2 years back, I tried posting about really technical stuff that was not working for me. But now when I post some technical stuff, because now those CA students have actually become CA, so they can understand those technical stuff as well. So you should know what to post. And of course the timings also work, because you can't just say that you can post at any point of time and people will see your post. Because if you have Indian audience and you are posting around 2 a.m. in the night, it won't work. Similarly, most of the people open their LinkedIn while going to office. That's around 8 to 10 a.m. in the morning, or after office. That can start around 5 p.m. to around 7 to 8 p.m. So that are the golden hours, during the time you can post on LinkedIn. And before and after that, what's my strategy is, start engaging on other people's posts as well. You can't just post your stuff on LinkedIn at 8 a.m. without engaging on other stuff. Because there's a LinkedIn algorithm which promotes not only when you're posting, but also when you're engaging on others content. So you can actually like in that golden hours, because usually all the creators post in those hours, you can actually engage with others contents at that point of time. And that also gives you an edge, because if Rishane has posted 10 minutes back and I commented and engaged with his post, and then I am posting it now, so Rishane will see, oh yes, Keshav recently commented on my post. So it becomes an inner responsibility at that person's in that person's mind, that let me engage with his content also.
It's a
So
two-way
that
street, Keshav. Absolutely. It's a two-way street, obviously.
yeah.
So I always say, कि, even if you're not posting, okay, see, there's no one size fits all. Okay, we are all trying to figure it out, that what is the good timing for your account, or what are your audience, what is your niche. So there is not like set rule or straight away the set strategy of it. Okay, we are all trying, learning every day what to post, what not to post, what hour has to be posted. So, but when you're not posting, see, I'm someone who posts almost regularly, like every day. Okay, but when I say that people are not posting regularly, maybe alternate days or 2 or 3 days. So when you're not posting, engage in others' post. Okay, so visibility आएगी कि है ना, ठीक है, देयर इज सम पर्सन जो यहाँ पे कमेंट भी कर रहा है, लाइक भी कर रहा है, अपने आइडियाज बता रहा है, ठीक है, तो वो आपके प्रोफाइल पे नॉट नेसेसरली आपके फॉलोअर्स ही बढ़ो, ठीक है, लोग है ना फॉलोअर्स को कंफ्यूज कर जाते हैं प्रोफाइल व्यूज से, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से फॉलोअर्स से ज्यादा प्रोफाइल व्यूज ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, कौन आपको व्यू कर रहा है, ठीक है, कौन आपको, सी, डोंट कंफ्यूज मी विद द वर्ड स्टॉकिंग, ठीक है, बट इन अ प्रोफेशनल वे कि कौन आपको व्यू कर रहा है, कौन आपके प्रोफाइल पे आके मेहनत करके देख रहा है कि आप क्या कंटेंट डाल रहे हो, इवन इफ आप कंटेंट नहीं डाल रहे हो तो आप क्या कमेंट कर रहे हो, ठीक है, बिकॉज सी सबको सब कुछ पता रहता है, ठीक है, कि है ना कौन क्या डाल रहा है, क्या कमेंट कर रहा है, इट्स जस्ट कि इफ समवन इज टेकिंग दैट एफर्ट ऑन कमिंग ऑन योर प्रोफाइल, इट शुड बी वर्दी इनफ, राइट? So we are still learning, we are still developing our new strategies, and there is no set strategy, Keshav. Like on any of the, आप किसी को भी influencer को या creators को पूछोगे, everybody is trying their own, बोलते हैं ना,
which
full trial
works
and
for
error करके सीख
them.
रहे. Exactly,
Yes.
exactly. मतलब not
There is
necessarily आपकी
something.
जो,
Hmm.
बोलो,
Yes.
sorry.
There is nothing like this. I totally agree with Keshav कि there is some timing in the morning, in the evening, but somehow One of my posts went viral last week. I posted that around 1 p.m. It went viral till 5 p.m. I get to know that it went viral. So it's totally dependent how people can resonate with your post, how they linked their thing with that post. That's the only concern.
And no matter like
Completely
what
agree.
timing is working for Keshav, see, as he said that golden hour he's posting. Not
Yes.
necessarily that hour will work for me. I can post it in the midnight also. Maybe my audience is most active then. You just need to know your audience.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
You just can't give anything. It's like garbage in, garbage out. Okay. Whatever you're saying should be connected with those people. They should feel that they are in their journey with that part of your journey. See, there are like a lot of followers, okay, but you have not met or interacted with each and every followers of yours. Okay, they just know through your words, your reels and everything. ठीक है, so it's more of a responsibility, okay, कि जो अपन provide कर रहे हैं that should be a value addition for them. ठीक है, मैं जैसे corporate memes डालता हूँ तो lot of people connect because that happens with lot of people जो भी corporate के अंदर है, be it HR or be it anyone. ठीक है, and as Kajal said that you need some funny thing or that masala thing. You don't need that serious thing कि SIP कैसे करनी है, म्यूचुअल फंड कैसे, वो भी जरूरी है. ठीक है, बट हर एक चीज का एक टाइमिंग होता है. ठीक है, मैं कैब में बैठ के स्क्रॉल कर रहा हूँ टू सी सम सीरियस स्टफ वेयर एंड आई नीड टू पुट माय ब्रेन्स ऑन. आई जस्ट नीड सम एंटरटेनमेंट ऑन दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम. ठीक है, तो वो है मतलब what will work for me not necessarily will work for you. It's like that.
That's absolutely true. Absolutely true, Rishin. I agree with that. You know, the most important thing being know your audience. You should know what's the age of your audience, what's the geographical location
Profession.
of your audience, that profession of your audience, that would actually work. So let's get to the next question. And while everyone is talking about, results and impact and effectiveness, so how do you guys measure your what we can say the results or effectiveness of your social media efforts in terms of numbers, in terms of career advancements, in terms of influence? So how do you guys do that?
So I think so I was just wondering about this when I saw like when you posted this question, I was like, I know instance. So I was in office and some people came to me and they're like, आप तो वही हो ना जो LinkedIn पे बहुत ज्यादा post करते हो, because they know that
I'm pretty
face.
sure that would have happened with each one of us. Not
Yes.
just our office, but मेरे जो clients भी हैं, अरे आपको कहीं देखा हुआ है.
I know. And
हाँ.
so if I stop posting, so if there's a season in office and people are stop, so people come to me, आपकी post नहीं दिख रही आजकल. मैंने कहा हाँ अभी office में season चल रहा है. So some people in my field, they're like, हमने आपको message किया था how to crack the transfer pricing interview. Do you remember? I'm like यार daily पे 100 मैसेज आते होंगे मुझे तो अब obviously I don't remember your face, but यार आके हाय बोल दिया करो. ऐसा नहीं है, मैं भी नॉर्मल आई जस्ट पोस्ट. अब तुम मेरे को सामने देख रहे हो, मैं नॉर्मल ही लग रही हूँ ना, ऐसा कुछ अलग तो है नहीं, आके हाय बोल दिया करो.
हाँ, this
So I
thing should
think
change. Kajal, I certainly agree with you. See, we are not in that position, okay, that people treat us like we have a upper hand. We are just a normal human being. ठीक
exactly.
है, अब हाँ लोग अपने को इतना चढ़ा देते हैं, कुछ लोग चढ़ भी जाते हैं. There are an exceptions to everything. ठीक है, मेरे को ड्यूरिंग माय आर्टिकल शो समथिंग लाइक दैट या ऐसे, अरे मेरे को डर लग रहा था भैया आपसे आके बात करने में. मैंने बोला क्यों, तो अरे आपके तो इतने फॉलोवर्स हैं, आप
Exactly.
बोला अरे भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. ठीक है, वी आर जस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग. एंड वो आपको भी फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस में पता चल जाएगा बिकॉज वो वाइब वैसी आती है सामने वाले से. ठीक है,
Right. They're
if you
like
be arrogant with someone, obviously you will be arrogant with that person as well. ठीक है, तो वो चीज है. बट ट्रस्ट मी, जो भी अगर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, अगर आप आके बात कर रहे हो, हम लोग को एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिलती है, एक रिकग्निशन मिलता है. वी फील मोर हैप्पी. हम लोग ये नहीं कि एटीट्यूड दिखाएंगे. ठीक है, कभी कभी
Yes.
मिस हो
It's
जाता
a,
है.
yeah, it's a
खुशी
happiness moment. Yes, people know
हाँ.
me without my introduction.
exactly. So and
And
in
lot of
terms
people
of
like होते हैं ना जो ऑफिस में, so I'm pretty sure मेरे को कितने लोग मेरे को मैसेज करते हैं जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना. I don't know why they are afraid. Okay, so whenever I put something on corporate, ठीक है, if I'm taking a case of a manager or an HR, बोलते हैं bro I can't like your post because my manager will see. Okay, so but people consider कर लेना उसके अंदर. मैंने बोला यार इतना क्यों डर रहे हो भाई.
the I also
See, जो भी ये बोलिए ना, आपके इतने फॉलोअर्स है लिंक्डइन पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, ठीक है, वो एक रिकग्निशन मिलता है, वो अच्छा भी लगता है. बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स लाइक वो किसी किसी में से वो जेलसी वाली फीलिंग आती है. ठीक है, आई रिमेम्बर ड्यूरिंग माय आर्टिकलशिप टाइम. ठीक है, वो लोग का जो कंपनी पेज है, उसके कुछ 10,000 फॉलोअर्स हैं, मेरे कुछ ज्यादा है उनसे, ठीक है। तो एट टाइम्स दे टेक्स्ट मी कि यार लाइक कर देना ये पोस्ट, थोड़ी एंगेजमेंट बढ़ जाएगी, ठीक है। अरे ठीक है यार, हो जाता है। एवरीबडी वांट्स दैट रिकग्निशन इन लाइफ, ठीक है, नो मैटर हाउ यू आर गेटिंग इट, बट एवरीबडी इज क्रेविंग फॉर इट, ठीक है।
राइट। तो वही है मतलब because my I posted a team photo I remember and someone was calling my senior काजल तेरी टीम में है, so he's like भाई तुमने क्या पोस्ट कर दिया, मुझे 4 फोन आ गए पूछने के लिए काजल तेरी टीम में मतलब कुछ नया टीम फोटो डाली थी उसमें आप भी थे, तो लाइक अच्छा बताओ देखो कितना, मैंने कहा देखो आपको मैंने कितना फेमस कर दिया है. So I think in terms of influence, it goes there. But as a career advancement, I think being a multiple attempt CA, even though I was a topper in school, but in CA कुछ अलग हुआ जो भी. So but and I started with EY India, which was only because of my LinkedIn, because the referral person was someone who was also a creator on LinkedIn, and he helped me to put through the CV, and I started my career as like in EY India, that too with multiple attempts, and not my articleship was also from a mediocre firm, right? So I think in terms of career advancement, if you are a creator, people will obviously try to network with you more, and they will try to help you more, because they know that if I'm helping them, sometime they will help me. Their networks will try, if I need them, their networks will help me. So I think in terms of that career advancement, maybe you get a little bit leverage due to the networks you are building here on LinkedIn. So in terms of influence and career, everything is positive in that term. So I think that's wonderful.
Yeah, totally
Definitely,
agreed. I also
networking is something, you know what, I always believe the quality should matter over quantity, right? If you
yes.
have 100 good people in your followers list, that will probably help you more than अगर नंबर आपका 1000 है, ठीक है, वो 100 लोग अगर क्वालिटी है तो वो ज्यादा आपको हेल्प कर पाएंगे, आप उनको हेल्प कर पाओगे, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज अ गिव एंड टेक, ठीक है। if you are
Yes.
engaging if you are being helpful to me, I'm pretty sure I've made a lot of good friends, like I can see few of them over here, Keshav, Kajal and Riya, ठीक है, who refer, ठीक है। तो वो एक अच्छे एक वो होता है कि हाँ ठीक है, अपनी उतनी रीच नहीं आ रही है, अपन उस बंदे से बात नहीं कर पा रहे, तो माय फ्रेंड इज हेल्पिंग मी, ठीक है। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, रेफरेंस हेल्प्स, ठीक है। इट गिव्स एन ऑथेंटिसिटी कि दिस पर्सन के मैं क्रेडिबिलिटी एक गारंटी ले रही हूँ, ठीक है, ठीक है। तो
Exactly.
आज किसी को रेफर करते हैं तो अपने ऊपर एक है ना अकाउंटेबिलिटी रहती है कि यार कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, एंड अपन कैसे ऐसे वैसे को नहीं रेफर करते हैं। So that's how I believe it. I'll say even if you're building connections, make worth of it. मतलब सबसे अगर आप connect कर रहे हो, give a cold message, give a cold mail, you never know what will click. Trust me, you will never know what will click.
Yeah, I
Right.
also get placed in Deloitte by a referral only, and the referral person is on Deloitte only. He just saw my post that I'm looking for a job and just text me, and within 15 days I have the offer letter of Deloitte that where I'm working as of now. And yes, this works and totally resonate with Kajal too. One of the director joined our team like 2 months back. I'm just like go to him and like handshake with him like yeah hi. So he said Ria. Minka, yes, you know me. They're like, yes, I saw your every post you posted on LinkedIn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Our entire team knows you. How you can like say that anyone don't know about you? Like, yeah, it's a fan moment. People knows you
That is
without an
true. It
introduction.
happens. It happens with all of us for sure. Like
Yes, yes,
I
definitely.
remember, I'm actually the youngest of all of you, and I recently gave an interview in that the director actually opened my LinkedIn profile in front of me. So he said, "Yeah, you are this one." So it happens. So let's move to the next question. So the next question is bit on the other side of things, and that goes around the challenges and obstacles you have been facing in leveraging social media or career growth as a CA creator. So, what are your views, Rishan, on this?
So challenges and obstacles. See, there's a lot of time which eats up in here. See, everybody has 24 hours. Okay, and if you're not a full-time creator, if you're having a job, if you're having your own practice, you're sailing in two boats at a time, and your time is limited. So the major constraint is time. Okay, the obstacle. And जो अपन सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ डालते हैं, द ट्रोल इज समथिंग विच इज इनएविटेबल, ठीक है, वो तो आएगा ही आएगा। आप चाहे कितना भी अपना ब्लड स्वेट रिसर्च डाल दो, देयर आर सम सेट ऑफ पीपल हु विल ट्रोल यू नो मैटर व्हाट, ठीक है। सो दोज आर challenges which you have to face if you're posting something on social media. But उसके सामने जो reward है वो बहुत ज्यादा है, ठीक है? So don't stop yourself from posting just because of trolls. ये लोग का काम नहीं है troll करना, ठीक है? Look at the brighter side, look at the bigger picture कि when Priya, Kajal, you, Keshav are saying this, ये ना जब अपन जाते हैं तब एक recognition मिलती है. वो happiness के सामने है ना, वो troll कुछ matter नहीं करता है. आज मेरे को मेरे पोस्ट पे कोई ट्रोल्स आए होंगे, मेरे को कमेंट्स वो ट्रोल वाले याद भी नहीं रहेंगे, लेकिन जो अप्रिसिएशन है that gives me a fuel of posting an another post on my LinkedIn profile, you know. So वो है.
Oh.
And more of challenges, it was more like an opportunity for me. Okay, I'll just share one incident. Like मेरे साथ ये हुआ था कि मैं कभी content creation में आना नहीं चाहता. I started posting on taxation, finance just for the sake कि I want to do some value add. But way back in COVID, I got a lot of clients from LinkedIn, wherein I got that net worth certificate thing. Wherein when you're traveling abroad, you need to disclose your PNL, your tax receipts, and everything, that you're worthy enough, your financial sound, and everything. So I just got a very good number over there, and I made a lot of clients and networks over there. So that's how it started. So it's more like opportunity and challenges तो होंगे. See, सब कुछ हंकी डोरी नहीं होता है यार, मतलब वैसा है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा ही आएगा उसके साथ. That's pretty much.
Yesterday we were talking na Rishi, and I was telling you that people think that इनकी life में तो कुछ problems ही नहीं है. They are like they're doing their jobs, they are full time like creating content, और हमें भी ऐसी life चाहिए. But at the end सबकी life में challenges हैं. चाहे वो content creation हो, चाहे वो job हो, चाहे वो practice हो. And I think sailing in two boats वही same time क्या issue आता है. And if you're doing like if you're not scheduling your posts and you're in a busy season, so forget about posting. You can't even like you don't even have the time to engage on others' posts. So time is an issue if you can't schedule the posts. And the second thing is the trolling is not only online, right? On the posts, it's about, say for example, I'm in office, I'm clinging a picture, so
It's
people
worst when it comes to face, it's worst.
so people are like, हाँ अब तू ये भी LinkedIn पे डालियो. And not my like not only my colleagues
Not
तो
content. Everything is not content. The audience needs to understand. They need to
So,
stop looking at here.
हाँ,
We'll make content out of everything. It's not like that. We have our limit.
exactly. I'm just clicking a picture. Not even not only my colleagues, like my seniors. अब ये भी LinkedIn पे डालेगी. So I'm like, चलो आप मैं आपको block करती हूँ. The thing is, the troll, they think that it's just funny, right? But if it happens every time you're clicking a picture and something, अब इसकी भी post डाल दियो. For example, कुछ मतलब special हो रहा है office में, I'm clicking on picture, तो अब इसकी भी post डाल दियो. तो they think that it's funny, but at the end, if it's happening so many times, then it obviously is trolling. That maybe you might be jealous that I'm at that level that I'm posting everything on LinkedIn, or I don't know. But that trolling is something that will obviously affect you. You think about it while you're sleeping at night, that why did it happen? But at the end, I think the rewards are obviously greater than these things. These people might not even remember me, but the networks I'm building, they remember me. And so I think that's online and offline trolling is there, but rewards are always greater.
Yeah, sometimes
Yes,
it
and even
happens like
other than yeah, sure. Go ahead.
like sometimes it happens like if I'm doing some work, people are like just go through with me like LinkedIn वाली post ready कर रही है या कुछ भी, anything happens like holy event, Diwali event, please post करके मुझे भी tag कर देना. It's not like that Facebook or Instagram that I'm posting each and everything there. And sometimes people also like ठीक है मजे में बोल रहे हैं कि ना रिया काम नहीं है क्या, इतना लिंक्डइन पोस्ट आता कैसे है, इतना कंटेंट का टाइम कैसे मिल रहा है तुम्हें, तुम्हें एलोकेशन नहीं मिला क्या? So it's like that way also. It's all about priorities. I was like, it's all about priorities, whether you want to scroll your Instagram or you create content over the weekend and start like scheduling the post and everything. So okay, people will say whatever they want, you will do whatever you want.
See, if you're enjoying it, unless and until if you're enjoying it, take care. Let what people wants to think. ठीक है, वो तुम सोचोगे तो वो लोग का भी काम तुम कर रहे हो. ठीक है, उन लोग को सोचने दो करना है.
Yes, just one thing ki don't take it over pressure that I have to post. Don't take that burden on you like नहीं I have to post, मेरा LinkedIn down हो रहा है, मैंने एक हफ्ते से post नहीं किया. ठीक है, let it be, do it as you want, but not taking the stress out of it.
Exactly. I was on
You
a
need
one.
that social detox. No, same. You need to take
I
that
was on a
social
1 month
detox.
break for my marriage. I didn't post. I didn't open LinkedIn for a month. So I think that is the leverage also, that you can like post whenever you want, engage whenever you want, if it's not
Yes.
full time.
And trust me,
That's
when
true.
people are
Even I
following you
I was
regularly, na, nahin, when people are following you regularly, I'm pretty sure, Kajal, you are out because of your marriage. Keshav is traveling. Riya is occupied with work. We are occupied with. So that becomes a curiosity for our genuine followers.
कि
Where
why
is
are
this
you
guy?
not
Where is this
posting?
guy? हाँ,
क्या
why
हो
are you
गया?
not posting? I get a lot of like DMs over there कि भैया सब ठीक है ना, सर सब ठीक है ना, आपके पोस्ट नहीं है
Yes.
काफी टाइम से. ये
हाँ,
काफी
Yes.
हो
मैं
जाता
ब्रेक
है.
पे जाने से पहले भी, मैं ब्रेक पे जाने से पहले पोस्ट करके गई थी, भाई मेरी शादी हो रही है तो अब मैं थोड़ा इनएक्टिव हो जाऊंगी.
Yes. I
और
got
मेरे को तो
also
बहुत
few
अच्छा लगता है,
messages.
जैसे सीए के उसमें है ना, सीए के उसमें ऐसा रहता है कि अपन सब क्वालिफाइड है, ठीक है, बट आई सी वेरी नाइस एंड यंग पीपल जो आर्टिकलशिप में है. अब यार वो बेचारों की हर 6 महीने में एग्जाम होती है तो दे आर ऑफ, ठीक है, तो वो लोग का, लेकिन आई फील हैप्पी फॉर देम एंड आई फील सैड फॉर माई सेल्फ कि अगर किसी ने बताया होता कि यार अपन सोशल मीडिया पे जल्दी आ सकते हैं, ये सब कर सकते
तो
हैं,
हम
तो
भी आ जाते हैं.
इवन आई वुड हैव
Yes.
स्टार्टेड ड्यूरिंग माय
Yeah,
आर्टिकलशिप
that's
डेज.
what I posted about na yesterday. That I
Hmm,
feel
हाँ.
yes.
I should have started earlier because I'm seeing 12th people posting, college people. Did I waste my time? But I think
Yes.
Rishan, this is the point, that at that time what we did was the best,
Absolutely.
right?
That time we
And then
felt that was right.
hmm,
हाँ.
when we started was the best time for us. So think, but for being grateful that we are here today, rather than regretting that why didn't we start earlier, is way better.
And actually, these things started a lot after COVID. Like, digital
Yes.
transformation happened after COVID, and then only I feel that most of the people started getting into content creation and all. And like, yeah, trolling is, to be honest, really true. And other than that, the another challenge which I feel is that sometimes you actually want a detox, or like you have a social exhaustion from LinkedIn or social media. So like after posting for around 15-20 days or even 2-3 months regularly, sometimes you feel that you need to stop it for a few days. So I usually keep having these breaks. Like last
Yes.
month I was traveling. Before that I shifted to Mumbai, so my breaks keep coming often.
And often
In
when
that
these
sense.
breaks get longer, ऐसे लगता है कि दिमाग में आइडियाज आने बंद हो गए हैं. I was on a
Yep.
long break.
वो
मुझे
राइटर्स
दिमाग
ब्लॉक आ जाता है, राइटर्स ब्लॉक आ जाता
Yeah.
है वो. एंड वो एक बहुत बोलते हैं ना, वो जब हिट होता है ना, वो बहुत, बिकॉज यू आर ब्लैंक, ठीक है, यू आर
literally
टोटली
blank.
ब्लैंक.
I'm having my phone. I'm like, what should be my next LinkedIn post? And I'm like blank. Literally, not even a word coming in my mind. I'm like, let it be. And कभी भी मेट्रो में random travel करते हुए एकदम से एक idea आएगा, and I'm just take my phone and write it down. So
Yep.
yeah.
That's the thing even I do. But yeah, let's go to our next question. So the next question is like a continuation of this one, to be honest. So how do you balance your professional and personal brand, like managing office, managing practice, along with LinkedIn, or how do you guys do it? Because the consulting firms are not that much easy to work with.
अभी मुझे लगा मैं इंटरव्यू में आ गई हूँ, बिकॉज जब मैं इंटरव्यू में थी तो पीपल आर लाइक, आपके लिंक्डइन पे तो इतने सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं, तो आप ये बताओ, आप लिंक्डइन कंटेंट क्रिएशन भी मैनेज करोगे, जॉब भी मैनेज करोगे, पर्सनल लाइफ भी मैनेज करोगे,
कर
हाउ विल
लोगे ना.
बताओ काजल,
यू.
आप कैसे कर रही हैं आप?
इंटरव्यू में भी मेरे सेम क्वेश्चन था. बट अब आई थिंक वही बात आ जाती है प्रायोरिटीज के ऊपर. इफ यू नो दैट यू गोइंग टू बी बिजी इन द वीक, तो वीकेंड में यू कैन शेड्यूल पोस्ट. And plus, it also depends on your team and your office. Since I have a hybrid work culture, right? I have the flexibility to work from home at least 3 days a week or 2 days a week. And there's no login, log out hours. You have to work according to the work allotted. So I think ho jata hai. Plus, the travel time I take is generally for the post if I schedule. So it's all about the priority. At the end, सबके पास 24 घंटे हैं. So if I'm managing content creation, my personal life, working out, and everything, if I can do it, so with the time, people learn. If it's a priority, you learn. So yeah.
Absolutely agree. What about you, Rishan? Like you have been managing your practice, and I feel that it's more difficult than managing jobs, because in
Right.
jobs you like after you come home it's like done and dusted for you, but for practice people
Shut
it's
down.
So,
never the shut down.
so to To be very honest, I don't work as per the clock. Okay, I don't have any fixed hours because for a fact I know that अगर मैं ये काम नहीं करूँगा तो मेरे को ही करना है. So you need to categorize your day. Okay, if I have something to be posted, so I make sure that I'm posting in the morning. I'm utilizing my travel time, as Kajal rightly said. Okay, I'm utilizing that my travel time where I need to post, I need to engage on my friends' post as well, wherein I need to keep on engaging on others' post. So वो एक चीज है, ठीक है. बट देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन डेडलाइंस होती है प्रैक्टिस के अंदर. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर जॉब में भी वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है, ठीक है. यू आर थिंकिंग समथिंग, यू वांट टू पोस्ट, बट सडनली कोई मेल आ जाता है, ठीक है. एंड वी सीए पीपल आर सो वेल ट्रेन्ड उस चीज के अंदर कि कोई चीज अगर हाथ में नहीं है तो उसको अच्छे से खत्म करेंगे, ठीक है. तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम आती है, बट एट द सेम टाइम मैनेजिंग प्रैक्टिस एंड कंटेंट क्रिएशन, दैट्स व्हाई ना अभी तक वो हिम्मत नहीं है टू गेट इनटू अ फुल टाइम कंटेंट क्रिएशन, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हाट विल बी योर प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ इनकम.
Exactly.
This content creation can become your primary source of income, or maybe the practice or the job is your primary source of income. So we are all hustling struggle, I would not say. We are all hustling because we are loving what we are doing, right? Okay, there are a lot of CA friends जो सिर्फ job में है, they want to come into content creation because it looks so lucrative, okay, but somehow they are not able to. So it all depends कि आप अपना time कितना अच्छे से manage कर रहे हो. And you don't have to take pressure, as Ria rightly said. You don't have to pressurize yourself that you need to post only. कभी होता है नहीं हो रहा है 10 दिन post. It's okay. You don't have to feel pressure. Posting something value added would be more beneficial than posting some garbage on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Because then people perceive you like that he's someone जो यही डालता है. ठीक है. So don't make that thing as your चीज के अंदर. वो चीज.
That is absolutely true because it's not easy to do like be into both at the same time because on the one hand you have to excel in your office, be it practice or job. You want to excel there, you want to be the best there, and at the same time you also have to take out some time for LinkedIn or YouTube. So I remember like 2 months back when I was actively doing YouTube with another brand. So it was quite difficult because my like I have to take out a whole of a day from my week just for my social media stuff. But I knew that at this point of time this is important and I want to do this. So because if you're happy doing the thing, then you can always go for that. And about managing stuff, LinkedIn does not take too much of a time. You can even do LinkedIn in about 15 to 20 minutes a day because you just need your topics handy. If so, what I do is that I just keep my topics in the notes of my mobile and then randomly can start writing at any point of time. So, like managing time is a skill that you guys need to learn.
Yeah, it's all about priority. Like being in a consulting firm, there might be chance I have to work on weekends as well. So it's all about your priority. Like something stuck in your mind, कि नहीं, you have to do the post in this week only. Then you manage the time anyways, like in travel or even after having your dinner or even before your breakfast, you just pen it down and post it instantly. So it's all about your priorities and managing the things, like how person cope up with the same.
That's right.
Right.
So. Let's have the last question for today. So, in what ways you believe that social media has transformed the landscape of professional development for CAs, particularly in terms of influence or career growth? Because nowadays on LinkedIn we see many CA creators. So, how does things have changed?
I think like before, content creation was all about, people were only watching traveling videos, eat like where to eat, go out to eat, and fun videos. But just like after COVID, people went into finance, and finance creators boomed up. Like बहुत ज़्यादा boom आया. People started watching them, and LinkedIn पे तो since LinkedIn, I think LinkedIn पे तो CA professionals पहले ही थे. But this boost of content creation has recently come up where people are, and also it worked because audience liked it. See, when I was using LinkedIn, I didn't have someone to guide me, to help me like अब मैं क्या करूँ if I'm not going through. और अब देखो तो there's like everyone is a mentor on a different platform. You just go there, register, and ask them what shall I do differently to pass this time. But this was not there when I was in my IPCC, right? It was very generic. You only had your teachers. But I think the shift has only come when the digitalization era after COVID, which I think is obviously positive impact for us as creators also, and for people who are actually consuming a content, right? Because without these people, without the audience, we are nothing. Audience likes our content. That's why our networks build. That's why we decide like what to post, what not to post, what is audience liking. So I think this digitalization era has come in after COVID, but helpful for everyone.
Also adding to that, Kajal, I feel that पहले लोगों का ना perception बहुत अलग था related to CAs. They thought that CAs are not get at soft skills, they are not get good at marketing themselves. So slowly after COVID, what I felt is that CA creators started booming on Instagram as well as on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn was their first choice because वहां पे तुम्हें एकदम से अपना फेस नहीं दिखाना. You don't have to start speaking. You can
Exactly.
just start with writing. So सीए क्रिएटर्स को काफी बूस्ट मिला इस चीज की वजह से, एंड ओवरऑल जो इंडस्ट्री की इमेज है वो काफी आई वुड से इम्प्रूव हुई बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. क्योंकि इतने सारे सीए क्रिएटर्स स्टार्टिंग पोस्टिंग, स्टार्टेड मेकिंग रील्स, स्टार्टेड मेकिंग यूट्यूब वीडियोस. Like if you talk about finance creators, we know around, like I can count many creators uh, who have followings of more than millions on Instagram or YouTube, and even on LinkedIn. We can see many CA creators with more than 100k followers. Like on LinkedIn, 100k is a very big number, and I know
Right.
people having top voices badges and all that, and they are CAs who are perceived to be not so social and not too good at their branding skills, and they have got a platform to do all this. So there's a big boost for the whole community as like in total.
No,
Okay.
definitely, Keshav. Like few years back, there was a very set rule for CA. Like you'll either go for a job or in practice. Okay, there was no third point. But as you rightly mentioned, there are very lot of finance creators. Okay, who are doing exceptionally well, who are contributing to the society in terms of adding their knowledge. Okay, and they are CAs. Okay, they have broken that stereotype कि है ना मेरे को जॉब में ही जाना है या प्रैक्टिस में ही जाना है. बट एक बोलते हैं ना एक नया सोर्स ऑफ इनकम बनाना चालू किया है. ब्रांड वर्क आता है, ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशंस आते हैं. यू गेट टू नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल. So it is definitely advancing in your career. Okay, the CA career is just not restricted to that you're working in a big four or any of that mid-sized firm, or you are into practice. Okay, people are breaking that stereo and they are getting into the content creation thing. So it's a whole different journey. Okay, and you don't have to think कि अगर मैं ना सीए करने के बाद ना मैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन में जाऊंगा तो लोग बोलेंगे यार इतनी पढ़ाई करके क्या किया, ये तो तू रीड करके भी कंटेंट क्रिएशन कर सकता था. बट आप जब फाइनेंस के ऊपर को डालते हो और जब आपके नाम के पीछे सीए लिखा है, ठीक है, तो वो ऑथेंटिसिटी उसकी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रही है. आई एम
Correct,
प्रिटी
correct.
श्योर. मैं एक ब्रांड के साथ काम कर रहा था, ठीक है, उन लोग का एक कंडीशन था कि सर ये फाइनेंस का तो कोई भी कर लेगा लेकिन हम लोग को इन्फ्लुएंसर्स नहीं चाहिए, हमको एक सीए चाहिए. बिकॉज उससे है ना एक जो लोगों की एक्सेप्टेंस आएगी वो ज्यादा मल्टीफोल्ड हो जाएगी. ठीक है,
Hmm.
तो वो भी आप एक लेवरेज कर रहे हो कहीं ना कहीं. ये नहीं कि आपकी डिग्री आपको हेल्प नहीं कर रही, वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं वो है कि आपको है ना सीए की डिग्री आपके पीछे लगी हुई है, आपके नाम के पीछे है, तो इट इज हेल्पिंग यू इन सम और द अदर वे. एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी लाइक बोलते ना, यू डोंट हैव टू हैव दैट हर्ड मेंटालिटी दैट यू वांट टू गेट इनटू जॉब और इन प्रैक्टिस. यू कैन डू व्हाट यू वांट. ठीक है, यू कैन एक्चुअली. ये भी एक अलग टाइप की जर्नी हम लोग को भी. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर काजल, केशव, रिया, आप लोग को भी पता नहीं होगा जब अपन क्रिएशन में गए थे. ठीक है, but as and when we got a recognition, you started monetizing it. It really is helping us, right? ठीक है, and
Yeah,
बोलते हैं ना लोग कि
Yeah, मतलब additionally it
बोलते हैं
offers opportunities also for continuous learning, collaborations, and also like potential employers. You never know which
the CA,
opportunity is
yeah,
waiting for you.
the CA prefix is like a cushion for us. If
Yes,
nothing works out, you can always fall back.
it's
and
like
that
your life
question,
insurance is done. See, if you're trying to make something for yourself, okay, and if you're miserably failed, you can always get back to a job which will pay you 50,000 rupees का average salary. ठीक है, it's a
around
life insurance. ठीक है. बट बोलते ना अपने अर्ली 20s या लेट 20s के अंदर इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, ठीक है, तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिकॉज वंस यू आर क्वालिफाइड यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट बैक टू लाइक गो इन अ जॉब. ठीक है, वो
Exactly.
एक अपने पास वो जैसे काजल ने बोला वो क्वेश्चन है, वो एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस है ही है. ठीक है, तो व्हाई नॉट टेक अ शॉट, वो चीज हो जाती है.
Right.
That's absolutely true. And I guess we are good on time as well to wrap up this session. So, firstly, thank you so much to everyone for sharing such wonderful insights on CA community and content creation in whole. I hope our audience will learn from our experiences, and we will see more and more CA creators coming and reaching the top. So thank you so much again. And to the audience who have been listening us for this long, it's almost 56, 57 minutes. Thank you so much for being with us and listening to all our stories, our experiences. And keep following us for more content and new episodes of Creator Originals. Thank you and bye bye.